Hello, Terrell Tigers. This is your superintendent, Dr. Warnock, and we're here with this week's edition of Wednesdays with Warnock. We're 6 feet apart, so I'm taking off my mask so that I can talk clearly. We're here with AJ Knight here in the ExCEL Center, and we want to thank the community for your support. We know that we've had to sacrifice programming here at the ExCEL Center and this amazing space that we have open for our senior citizens and for our staff, because we've been using this space for our students in order to socially distance our learning. So, Mr. Knight, why don't you share with us kind of what this space has been used for during COVID?
Absolutely. We have been very fortunate to host our students from furlough each and every day, and starting at like 6:15 in the morning, they come over for athletic practices, basketball, volleyball, and when the weather's bad, football and soccer eventually. So starting early before school, then each period, throughout the day, we'll have classes, PE classes, pre-athletics, athletics, band and color guard, or not band, dance and color guard. And they utilize the classrooms, the courts, the turf, everything. So that's kind of the Monday through Friday each day, and then after school practices as well through 4:30.
That's great. So while we might have had a couple of classes together in the gym in pre-COVID days, we've been able to spread out, and so that's been really great. We are very excited. We know this is what the community's been waiting for. When are we going to reopen programming at the ExCEL? And we have a plan for that. Once we see declining COVID activity in our area over a 4-week period, so 4 weeks of declining trend lines, we have a plan to begin reopening for our community. So, Coach Knight, why don't you tell us a little bit about what that reopening is going to look like?
Definitely. Well, in following along with a lot of other, gyms and fitness centers and things like that, kind of their strategies. Everything needs an appointment, so you know when you're starting, when you're ending. It's going to be a little different from the previous version. So we'll have a scheduler where you can book your time and reserve either the fitness center area or the walking track. We'll have capacity, max numbers in place. We have program or plans to wipe down the equipment, some PPE type situation and protocols, I guess. But that's going to be it. You'll check in, check out, and then we'll have a 1 hour off limits time frame where we come in and do a deep clean, sanitize with our ABM custodial staff, and then it'll reopen for the next hour of reservation.
Okay, great. So we are really excited about the possibility of reopening, and we're hoping that our COVID activity with the increased vaccine and with declining activity, that by the summer we're back to full-scale programming. That is our hope. So it's up to us. So we have to continue washing our hands, wearing a mask, and look for more information about how you can schedule your workout here after we keep that declining trend line going. That wraps up this week's edition.